Yes day YouTube, and welcome back to my channel and another beautiful day on this planet. Yet again I have changed my location from South Korea to the wonderful land of the Filipinos. Yes, that's right people, I am in the Philippines. I am here for approximately 10 days. I've got 2 days in Manila and then I've got a few days spent with a Filipino family called Diablinos. After that we're going to hit some beaches up and try and do some sea life stuff. So let's have it! Yes people, this is sick this. I'm just currently waiting to be picked up by a moped. So mum, Nan, if you're watching, turn the screen off for about 10 minutes. You don't need to see this. But anyone who's coming to the Philippines, Manila, just be careful of the taxis outside, because I literally walked outside and like I got swarmed by people. Taxi, 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 and some fella was asking me how much are you getting charged, and I said, oh, I've got the app. They're trying to charge like £20 outside, but on the app it's only like £4 or £5 if that. So just be careful if you come to Manila. I am absolutely sweating here. For some reason I decided to wear joggers, knowing full well it'll be roasting. I can feel my arse dripping. It is like a bear's top, telling you. But anyway, kick back in when we've got this moped, or when my guy turns up. Hopefully he turns up soon, because I need to get to this hotel, man. I'm so wet in here. Right, just got to cross the road. He's over there. Sick, man. Not sure how the system works. Oh god. My guy is over there somewhere. Talking about my guy. I've ordered one already. I think it might be
Already booked?
5 weight. There he is, there, that's my man. Yes, thank you. Yes brother, you good?
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one, you good? Yeah man.
Yeah, boy.
How are we? Good man. I'm sound. All the better to be in the Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Oh, can't wait. Love it. Bags?
Across here?
Yeah man. Let's do it.
Make sure you like them ring solutions. This is my hype for this channel.
Madness. How mad's this? Hey, this is the type of travelling you want to be doing. Oh. The thing when you go places where it's just expensive and tourism, you don't get experience like this. These are the countries I want to be in, man. Oh, I'm loving it already. This is a dream. Just hope anyone else who's watching this gets to experience this once in a lifetime. about a 20-minute bike ride this as well, by the way. It cost about £3, if that. Unbelievable. Going up in the world. What I'm most looking forward to as well is having my own room. Been in hostels the past few days. You don't get your own space like at all. I just can't get over this. It's crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. Oh, you crazy boy! We're off again, people. Little race going off there. That's it, super gone. This is mad, this. It's like something you see on the Discovery Channel, man. Is this me, bro? Yeah? This us?
No.
Oh, no.
Not yet.
Whoa. Oh, wait for the lights. Got ya. Oh. Thought we were done there. Sit and wait in the shade, what a guy. Yes, brother, all good. Yeah. Manila. Honest about people, I've most probably said it already, but this bike ride alone is just an experience of a lifetime in itself. Oh my god, it's great. Definitely not like it. Getting a taxi on a motorbike, driving in some foreign country, it's crazy. It is crazy. These houses here, sick. Fucking ass is killing me. It was like I've done a few rounds of Aki. Experienced that exciting new theme room, the James Bond room. It must be a right shag pack that. The family I'm going to live with as well said I can borrow their car for once. He said as long as you don't mind driving on the wrong side of the road. I don't think the wrong side of the road's the problem, to be honest with you. Look at this. Manual. I'm not mowing someone over. Speed bump, speed bump. always here. Right here, yeah? Yeah. Oh. Oh. That poor kid's got no change. Yeah, Josel's got some. Hello. Do you have change of this? Hundreds? If possible. Thank you. Oh. I give him 250, eh? For waiting. Here you go, brother. 250. That for you.
Thank you.
Nice
Channel,
job.
sir. What's your channel?
Drippy Hippie. There you go. You take that. Have a nice day. Oh yeah. Obviously. Thank you. Bye now. Sick, man. Right, let's go and check in. Give him 250. Awesome. Yeah. Give him 250. It was a big ride that way, innit? Yes, give you just a quick tour of the hotel. This cost me £29 for 2 nights, so it's not bad. So we have the wardrobe area, we got the kitchen area, which gives you a fucking teacup for no bloody kettle, not the bed, and we got this lovely gorgeous mirror. And then the bathroom, toilet and a shower and the TV. So yeah, it's great. For £15 a night, can't complain. And plus I've just been staying in hostels there, so it's just, you know, it's not the best hotel in the world, but it's nice just to have my own space. And obviously I could have bought a lot nicer hotel than this, but it was like £80. £80 still not there, but when you want to try and save money, this is great. Perfect, just what you need. And it's right in the middle of fucking knows where. Yes, the people, we are officially in the Philippines. It's like a dead dog, isn't it? Is he starving already? Oh. Hello. Oh. It is hot out here today. We're just going to take a nice little walk down to the marina area, because it is like nearly 4 o'clock, so I don't want to be out too late because I haven't been to sleep, to be honest with you. Oh. And then we'll get a little beverage somewhere, not sure where, like kick in with some of the locals, hopefully. Well, I want to kick in with the locals anyway. I'm going to go and stay with some. Can't wait for that. It's going to be great. 7-Eleven. I need to go down to the next set of lights. Oh. Mad light. Just a mad place. All sorts going on. Whoa. Little burger joint there. It's probably you good. Love it. Yeah, man. Sick. Wouldn't mind getting some lovely food as well. Members. Love it. Ooh. Yes, you good? Sick, man. Love it. So nice. Hello, my friend. Hello. See, they're just lovely people. Hey, you need to get to this. Oh, look at the dog. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks yourself. There you go. Got licked by a dog. At least the dogs aren't racist in this country. Tell you what, I don't know whether it's the fumes or it's the heat, but my eyes are stinging. Couldn't even have a proper shower then, because obviously I'm staying in a hotel that costs 30 quid for 2 nights. Don't supply this soap, so you just have to get up, water wash. Might get a drink from somewhere, to be honest with you. We'll see. I can just go on a 7-Eleven, but I wouldn't mind going to a little store or something. Support the locals. You watch where you stand as well. Coconuts. Madness. This is a crazy city, this. Right, this shop. Hello. Have you got Coke?
Coke, yes.
How much?
2 kinds. One's in a broken bottle, 12 peso, and one is Coke in a plastic bottle, 23 peso. Which
What?
one would you like?
What's the 12 peso one?
In the bottle?
In a glass bottle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have that one, please. Yeah,
Huh?
I'll have that one, please.
You want 12 pesos?
12 pesos, yeah. I didn't even think I got 12 pesos on me. You got change of 50? Oh, perfect, thank you. Got Korean mixed in it, Korean money, and I was going to say Portuguese money, but it's Filipino, tampons and everything. My man's got the lot. 12 pesos in a glass bottle. In a plastic bottle, it's more. It's a bit mad, isn't it? Oh, thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi. You cannot bring that bottle.
I cannot what?
You cannot bring, you drink it here.
I've got to drink it here. Oh yeah. Can I stand out here? I'll stand in here, speak to you. Lovely. There we go. Oh. So look at the money, it's mad, man. Yeah, you've got to keep the glass bottle, that's why it's cheaper. But you know, they're not big anyway, so we'll nick it. Where do you recommend to go round here?
Where do you live?
I'm in a hotel is just at the back there.
So you ask the people, would you like to go to the park?
The park,
Luneta Park.
the Rizla Park. Yeah,
So I write some things.
lovely, thank you. What a gentleman. Today? Yeah.
You're from
England? Yeah. To tour around. I also have family friends who live in the Philippines.
What place?
It's an hour outside Manila. I'm not sure what the area is.
Just around the area you can go to.
Lovely. Number one. Manila Bay.
Chinatown.
Chinatown, isn't it the oldest one in the world? Yeah, we'll go Chinatown, gotta do that. My man with the nudes on the wall. Sexy ladies. Who are the sexy ladies?
They are culinary.
Who are these, sorry?
They are actress.
Actress.
Singer. This one is actress. Singer, actress.
Oh yeah. Very beautiful.
Here we do this.
Yeah.
Going to the south.
To the south. Perfect. Thank you very much. There's your glass bottle back.
Okay, thank you. Welcome.
I'll see you again tomorrow or later. What time you shut?
After you go to those places.
After?
After you have no place to go, places.
For more places.
Thank you, sir.
He's the Filipino place wizard. Thank you. So my man in there has got better handwriting than me. Look at this. Honest to God. Marina Bay, the park, a few other little gaffs. This is lovely, this. It's in the hustle and bustle of it all, man. That water does not smell healthy at all. What are they cooking up here on the side of on the sidewalk? Should be pussycat. Proper barbecue, man. There's just noise going off everywhere. Like being in a fucking arcade. Yes, bro. Hello. I've got none, sorry. I've got none. Thank you. Oh yeah, little man. Here you go, brother. No, I need. One more. Cheeky bugger. Bless him though. Poor fella. There's literally no rules here. Everyone crosses on red and everyone drives through green. It's the train station. I really want to get on the train though. I don't know where I want to go to, that's the problem. Nice. So you know what, them barbecues don't look too bad, to be fair. Don't look no different from what I've just seen in South Korea. As long as it's cooked, won't it be alright? Should be, shouldn't it? There's only one way to find out. Got holiday insurance anyway. I really want to wear my Ray-Bans as well, she just looks flashy. And oh, Mama's running up on me then. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
No.
Saman yourself.
I know you.
See, we're on green here. Should I go? Yes, man. Do ya? They love the camera. Oh, look at that for the tree. Touched my very first time. On my maps that tells me that was a zoo. It's telling me it is a zoo. But by the looks of it, it looks like an ambulance place and a recreation centre. So, hello. Oh, I'm flying for the street vendor. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. You know, it's been a real eye-opener coming to do this Asia tour, like this world tour as I call it. Just experience one, Japan and their culture. I'm going to South Korea and it's completely different, but it's like the same. And I think I mentioned it yesterday, just like, see, most probably not safe in the Philippines, especially not in Manila, like, but the likes of the other cities are just so safe compared to the UK. To be honest, I feel safer here than the UK, 100% like. But here's a real eye-opener to come into these places. I just did not think it was, well, I knew it was like this, I just didn't think how much of it was like it. It's not until you come and you can feel the heat on you. You actually see the people in the street with no shoes and socks on and just a kip on the side. And like the smell. 1 minute it smells alright, the next it doesn't. So, here's a real shock to the system, like. For one, we don't know how good we got it in the UK. And for two, it's quickly going away. It's becoming unsafe. But anyway, we're not here to talk about politics and shit like that. We're here to try and cross busy roads in Asia. I've got no chance of crossing this road. I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. Right, I'm halfway. There's a dog, and I remembered on the way over here that I want to be careful, like, because go quick. What a nightmare. 27 seconds. Oh well. Yeah, on the way over there, remember they never got a rabies jab before they come out, so gotta be careful, like. Who's that with the horn? Fucking doing my head in. Yay. Hello, vlogger boy. Hey, vlogger boy. I'm going now. Oh. Fish. Oh wow. You know, you got all that there. And they keep the beach tidy. Fair play to them, like. I wasn't not expecting that. Here's my mate Ernie. Ernie, is this you? Love it. Wow, that's a lovely view, that. Crazy. I'll kick back in with you in a minute anyway. See if I can cop a little pint from this gaff. Doesn't look open. Hello.
Hi, sir.
You open? Open?
Yeah.
For beer? Beer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow,
What
lovely.
kind of beer, sir?
I want a Filipino beer.
Pilsen, San Miguelites.
Which one, sorry?
San Miguelites.
San Miguel.
Yeah.
Is that light beer though? Go on, yeah, I'll have one of them for now, please.
One of these.
Yeah. Can I sit anywhere? Oh, lovely. Sit here. In front of the fan. Oh, where should we sit? We get in the sun. Yeah, let's get up here in the sun. Oh, I'm sweating out, innit? Me, that. Right, need to be careful because I left me charger with me, but I didn't bring me cable for me GoPro. I'm only on 13%, so I'm gonna have to button this. I'm gonna have to kick back in a minute. Right, box me a van. A fan, the superstar. There you go, people. 1 minute you're in South Korea in the city centre, the next minute you're in Manila on the beach, the goal. Or next to the sea. It's the joys of travelling the world, man. Make sure you're liking, make sure you're subscribing. Oh, look at my arse, man. I love it. Best thing about it, I had a shower in the hotel before I come out before. And it doesn't matter if you stink anyway, the streets stink. So I just smell fresh. There's some real questionable food going off down on some of these stands, people. Them drinks look nice, to be fair. Fruit floor. Chicken. Fed up with eating chicken. Give me some cass or something. 2 for 150. Chicken. Chips. Yes. Welcome to the Philippines, my man said. Hello. My man's slinging bananas. Hello. I want to get another bevy, to be honest with you. Salon barbers. I think I was in the touristy area having a bevy before. Come on round here, like. Fruit and veg. Got a lot of fruit and veg, to be fair to them. Barbecue going off over there. Hello. Hello.
Hi, sir.
You know where to get a beer?
What?
Beer?
What kind of beer? Food or
Like drink alcohol? Beer?
Oh, we don't have.
No? Do you know whereabouts?
Yeah, or together.
Oh yeah, no worries. I don't think you understood me. Their fruit looks amazing though. Let's try some of this. Here we have it, people. I stumbled across this San Miguel apple flavoured beer. It's actually really nice. And I found this lovely little bar, you wouldn't believe it. Just down some back streets where they're all going off in madness. Look at this bar, it's gorgeous. We got a band on later. Just been speaking to the owner then because he liked me t-shirts. Obviously, rock bar. Just showing a few other t-shirts I got. And it's just lovely, people. You know, I wish you had it on record, but the camera is literally on the bones of its arse with the battery, like, so I've got to be careful. I don't want it to die, man. But then I'm also missing the good moments like that. There's nice little moments, little back and forth chat. So tomorrow, remember to bring the charger. Yes, so there we have the end of another great vlog. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you're liking. Stay tuned, stay active, and I'll see you all in the next vlog.